Here we have another Python data type which is called an dictionary, which is a sequence of values similar to list, but the thing is the values are correlated with the keys. We can able to access that particular data type values with the help of the keys associated with it. Since it is an data type associated with the keys, it was a very powerful data type which holds that relative information using the keys. For example, the student can be created with the help of the name, date of birth and age, blood group. All those things can be added into the as a dictionary with the help of Python dictionary variable. I'm going to define a variable s1, which is something like I'm going to define a name is the key and its value maybe a student 1 is the value, and we have the option something like age. The age I'm going to give 21 is the integer, and we have the option something like maybe the department. I'm going to add the EC is the department over here, and we have the option to add multiple items associated with the keys and its respective values that can be added accordingly. Maybe I'm going to add blood group BG colon its value is O positive over here. Now the elements value can be accessed with the help of S brackets, and then the key can be used to access that particular information with associated with respect to the key. And if suppose we wanted to change the value associated with the key, then we can add something like a name. I'm going to change it as Hariharan. Now it got updated. The name is the key, associated value has been updated with Hariharan over here. And similar way we can do that update of anything associated with respect to that. Maybe I'm going to change 21 to 23. It got updated over here in the dictionary. And if suppose we wanted to update or add a new item, we can use a function called s1 dot update over here, and I'm going to add a new item, maybe a marks colon something like I'm going to add the marks 450 is the marks I just added. Now if suppose we print this dictionary, we got that the dictionary got updated with the new key and its respective value over here. The similar way we can do that pop item from that particular dictionary. Whatever be the data which is pushed last will be popped out when we do the pop item. The marks 450 is the last item which is pushed into the dictionary, which has been popped out with the help of pop item. The similar way we can do s1 dot pop, and we can remove the anything we wanted to remove. For example, I wanted to remove the age from the dictionary over here. I just s1 is popped the age. Now the dictionary data variable s1 does not contain a key pair of age which is not present inside that. If suppose we wanted to do that, I am going to do the update over here, age colon something like a 23 over here, which gets updated, another item added into it. If suppose that the key value is already present and I'm doing that update, then the value only gets changed. It does not add again the key pair value. It just updates that value according to that the respective key over here. Since this data is associated with the key, this is much powerful and used in many areas of Python programming which needed relative information storage in the Python programming.